This is a 7-string Li battery brushless handheld vacuum cleaner, which uses the HT45F8662 as the main control MCU. The product includes a 3 to 8 string Li battery management system, an integrated AFE to detect the voltage of each battery, a charge balancer for balanced charging, and a 5-volt LDO with a plus or minus 1% accuracy. It has the over and under voltage, over current, short circuit, over and under temperature protection functions. A Coulomb algorithm is included to calculate the remaining battery level. The HT32F50343 controlled display board can achieve dynamic OLED displays of dust suction strength and battery power level, as well as real-time status of charging. The display board communicates with the main board through a serial interface to obtain the display information. The system will automatically enter the deep sleep mode when there is no communication for a period of time, and can be woken up by a serial port. The above has provided an introduction to the 7-string Li battery brushless handheld vacuum cleaner.